Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Kwikset door knob. Replacing a door knob can seem daunting, but with the right guidance, it's a straightforward task that anyone can accomplish. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you feel confident and capable. This process is not only about functionality, but also about enhancing the look and security of your home. Get ready to transform your doors with ease and precision. Let's get started on this simple home improvement project together. Before we begin, let's gather our essential tools. You'll primarily need a Phillips head screwdriver and possibly a flathead screwdriver for prying. Of course, have your brand new Kwikset door knob ready to go. It's also a good idea to keep the door open and stable throughout the process to avoid any mishaps. Taking a moment to review the instructions that came with your new knob can also save you time and ensure a smooth installation. Proper preparation makes all the difference. Now let's tackle removing the old door knob. Start by locating the two mounting screws, usually found on the interior side of the knob. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the interior and exterior knob assemblies. They should separate easily. Finally, remove the latch mechanism from the edge of the door. This part slides into the door frame and is held in place by two smaller screws. With these steps, your old knob will be off in no time. With the old knob removed, it's time for the exciting part, installing your new Kwikset door knob. First, insert the new latch mechanism into the door edge and secure it with the provided screws. Next, slide the exterior knob assembly into place, making sure the spindle correctly engages with the latch. Then, attach the interior knob assembly, aligning the screw holes and tightening them firmly. Don't over-tighten, just snug. Finally, give your new door knob a good test. Open and close the door a few times to ensure everything operates smoothly and securely. Congratulations, you've done it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.